welcome back to the channel. We have a big couple weeks of racing. Ooh, a bird. Headed to Gas City Speedway on Thursday tomorrow, Friday at Eldora, and Saturday at Eldora for the 4 Crown in both the sprint car and the midget for Gas City and Eldora. So we got our hands full. And then we go right into the BC39, which is exciting because it's 4 days of racing now. So that's going to start on Wednesday, but we have to load in on Tuesday. So the boys were wanting to test today, and we scratched that off the schedule because we just needed to get prepared for a really big couple weeks of midget racing. Eldora and the BC39. Some of the biggest races of the year, some of the most prestigious races of the year. It's early in the morning. I'm headed down to I want to say Nitro Alley, I want to say Gasoline Alley, but I think he called it Methanol Alley or Methanol Lane. I'm not sure. Headed down to Methanol Lane, go meet up with John. We got to go pick up some parts for a new project that we're putting together. I thought I'd take my Z despite. I should have washed it yesterday. It is just dirty. And when I get time, when the kids get off of school, I spend 4 o'clock until 9 o'clock when they go to bed with them, and try to give them all of the time I can. And time is so precious. It clicks away 1 minute at a time, and we just don't have enough of it. And the YouTube channel has been so amazing for me. I've been selling more shirts and doing what I love to do, but it comes at a cost of time. It takes a lot of time, and I have so much footage. Like this winter, it's going to be hectic. I mean, I have just memory card after memory card full of races that I just didn't have time to download and swap, and I mean, doing it all on an iPad, which is probably crazy, but I'm a race car driver, and I wanted a little more out of my racing, and I wanted to bring more to my fans, and I think I've knocked that out of the park. I'm pretty proud of myself, to be completely honest, with all the edit work and camera work that I've kind of figured out how to do. Special thanks to Jan Burton. He's been my camera guy. He's been replacing cameras for me. He's got a street legal Silver Crown car. So we're going to meet him eventually. I'm going to go out to his house and drive that street legal Silver Crown car. But for right now, I am driving to Indy in the Z cornfields. Check out this turning radius. It's got a speeded steering gear, or it's actually got angle kit, which makes the steering way quicker. I probably should slow down because I'm rolling. I mean, I'm not rolling that fast, but this is a 40-mile-an-hour turn. Time to slow back down. That's what I love about racing, is I get to go ham all the time. It's a adrenaline rush that you just can't compare to anything else. I mean, being on dirt, having the cushion, having all the fierce competitors that have moved everywhere from the world to Indianapolis to go racing on dirt tracks. And it just makes it that much tougher. You got all the local boys who were born and raised here in Indiana who, they grew up going to the track with their mom and dad, and this is what they do, this is what they want to do, this is what they love to do. This is what I love to do. I chase this dream from California, left all my friends behind, and this YouTube channel is a nice little way to kind of keep everybody like in the loop if they have time to watch. I try to make short videos, but alright, I'm gonna stop gabbing. We're gonna get to the shops. Don't forget to go check out Shop TmezTv, get some slider die merch, and hey,